Hi there. Want to know why you should use Workstreams.ai? Let's dive in. Workstreams.ai empowers you and your team to work smarter by helping you communicate better. You can set priorities, collaborate, and get things done with a solution that's been designed to be rooted in your communications on platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Chat, and more. Once the Workstreams.ai bot is in your workspace, your plans take root with it and grow into unique tasks and goals. For other task management tools, communication is an afterthought. The roots just don't go deep enough, which is why nobody ever knows what anyone else is doing. We find this odd. Think about it. Different departments often use different task management platforms at the same company, but when they communicate what they're actually doing, they often use a different tool. Our question to you: shouldn't task management happen in the same place that you're already discussing your work? We certainly think so. So, once you transform an idea into a task, where does it go? With Workstreams.ai, you have a simple Kanban board for your workflow, with your most important tasks at the top, and you can always see who's assigned to a task. The assignee moves with the task until someone else needs to work on it, or until it's complete. Simple, right? With Workstreams.ai, everyone is flowing in the same direction towards the same goals, all thanks to better communication. Bad communication stops the flow of information, which clogs up your workflow and adds to overhead. That's why Workstreams.ai has zero required overhead, no admins or unnecessary barriers. Just connect the bot with your workspace and you and your team can start flowing. Last of all, but certainly not least, Workstreams is free for any team size. No trial, no time limit. It's that simple. So what are you waiting for? Find your flow today.